revolutionary who stood for equality and justice, Commando Castro was the architect of transformation of Cuba as a socialist state. He was Prime Minister of the Republic of Cuba from 1959 to 1976 and was President from 1976 to 2006. A champion of anti-imperialism and anti-colonialism, he served as an inspiration for socialist movements and anti-colonial struggles across the world. He was a leading light of the non-aligned movement and was at its helm from 1979 to 1983 and from 2006 to 2008. He visited India twice in 1973 and 1983. Commander Castro will always be remembered as a good friend of India for his lasting contribution to the evolution of warm relations between the two countries. His death is an irreversible loss to the people of Cuba and the Republic and also to the world at large. The House joins the bereaved family, the government and the people of Cuba in mourning the passing away of Commander Fidel Castro and conveys its heartfelt condolences to them in their hour of grief. We deeply mourn the passing away of Commander Fidel Castro. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed.
Not now. At 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Every day it is not. I will allow you at 12 o'clock, not now. 12 o'clock. After question hour. 2 minutes everybody. आप इसको समाप्त करने वाले हो क्या तो अलाउ करती हूँ. Are you going to finish this? No. After question hour. अच्छा. Question number 161, C. Om Prakash Yadav ji.
Next number.
Just wait. Colonel Sonaram Chaudhary. Yes, question number bolo pe. 161, Minister.
The table of contents.
I want to submit through you that Honorable Minister has given a very elaborate reply, and I thank you very much for the same. And they have started also some scheme Make in India, Startup India, ease of doing business, and they have also mentioned that some of the states have declared a backward, initially backward, but in Rajasthan has not been declared a backward, which is not fair, madam. In Rajasthan also there are some districts like Jaisalmer, Bardmer, which I represent. They are very backward and very famine prone, and like Jaisalmer is a zero industry district. There is not a single industry there. So Jaisalmer is very important district from defense point of view, and Jaisalmer is the only place there for the living fort, which is a wonder. So my submission is that Honorable Minister should consider certain district in the state. There are certain districts which are backward. They should support. Though there are some schemes he mentioned that respective other ministry can launch some schemes for development.
Hey Naresh, yeah, Amgol Yadav ji, what is it? I'll call you, wait. He is not asking what can I do. Yeah, you want LOP. Naresh, LOP.
सर पिछले जब से भी नोटबंदी की अनाउंसमेंट माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने की, तब से लेकर जो आक्रोश पूरी जनता में है, पूरे देश में है, और उससे जो पीड़ा और दुख देश के किसानों को है, मजदूरों को है, गृहिणियों को है, उसकी वजह से आज जन आक्रोश पूरे देश में मनाया जा रहा है। और इस जन आक्रोश के अवसर पर सरकार को ये बताना चाहिए कि वो किस तरह से करेंसी उपलब्ध कराए देश में, और जिसकी वजह से लोग
ministers want they can respond. That's my request. Rather than taking heavy and then discussing whatever you want. Practice should not be allowed.
Honorable LOP,
functioning
खाना
fully.
उपलब्ध
I think minister has a valid point.
26 दफा नोटिफिकेशन जारी हुई है,
But all of
कोई व्यवस्था है करेंसी? कोई व्यवस्था
all of you are now.
उपलब्ध नहीं है करेंसी।
Now listen.
चर्चा होनी।
Now please.
आप लोगों ने कहा,
Yes.
आप लोगों ने
Let me
कहा
come to
एक
that.
हफ्ते में हालात ठीक होंगे।
Now.
आज एक हफ्ते से ज्यादा होंगे।
Wait, you are not
कहाँ
notice.
करेंसी है?
I am calling those who are given notice. रुको.
चल रही है लूट मार।
Yes. Your notice also there.
लूट मार के मार है।
Now please. Order please. Order please. Now.
कर रहे हैं, वो कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
All of you speaking, what are you doing? No. See, what can I do? See, what is this? What is this? This is 0 hour time. See, what is this? What is this? What can I do? Yes? क्या बोलिए येचूरी? Yes? What is the point? I can't hear anything.
Sir,
Yes, Ram Gopal, I called first. I called Ram Gopal first.
now that you give it me, let me.
I can't hear.
You hear me. You
No,
hear me first.
I.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
no, stop hearing them.
What can I do?
Arey, stop hearing them. They have spoken.
See, why do you stand here? Go this side. At least.
Sir, they have spoken.
No, please. Arey, why do you block them? Go to this side. Let them go down. Why do you block them? Let them go that side. I can't hear. Arey, why do you block them? See, you go come this side. Why do you block them? Come this side. Why do you block them? Come this side. Come this side. Come this side. Why? See, you can't block them. Sir, I called Ram Gopal first. What is Ram Gopal? Yes. I can't hear in any case.
बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो गई है।
मेरे को
सारे देश की स्थिति खराब हो गई है। सारे मजदूर को मर रहे हैं। सारी फैक्ट्रियां धीरे धीरे बंद हो रही हैं। सारी दुकानें बंद हैं। सारा कमजोर वर्ग का आदमी है वो बहुत परेशान है। एक पैसा किसी के पास नहीं है। महामारी की स्थिति में बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर लोग आ गए हैं। ऐसी स्थिति में
I can't hear anything.
Sir, they now hear me.
कुछ नहीं सुन रहे.
You can hear me.
Yeah.
Yes.
किसके लिए बंद है, किसके लिए बंद है?
Sir, ये record I can't hear anything.
रिकॉर्ड में लगाना चाहिए।
भारत का बंद कर दिया। प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने भारत का बंद कर दिया। पूरा विपक्ष
कुछ नहीं करते. Yes, Minister. Yes, Minister.
He should not go and record this slogan against the Prime Minister. Against the Prime Minister. You can't allow this. They cannot have. They have no monopoly over the house. House belongs to all of us. And we have
I
the
will take
government.
action against you. I will take action against you.
ये क्या तरीका है? ये बहस में भाग लेने के
House is adjourned for 30 minutes.
We have, in fact, considered that option, and I'm sure we will be able to extend it in the future to pass through Orissa to touch Kolkata.
Question number, please go to your seat. Please. ये सब नियमों के खिलाफ कर रहे हो, ये कागज नहीं दिखाना चाहिए. Please, don't show these. Question number 162. Sri M.K. Raghavan, not there. धनंजय महाडिक नहीं पूछना चाहेंगे. Minister.
Statement is laid on the table of the House, madam.
Yes. Sri Bansilal Mahato. Bansilal Mahato is there. Yes.
धन्यवाद मैडम. क्या मंत्री महोदय बताना चाहेंगे 3 साल पहले भूमि पूजन हो चुका है ESI हॉस्पिटल का कोरबा में. क्या कोरबा में स्थापित होने जा रहा है?
कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे गोगोल जी. नो कागज.
3 साल पहले कोरबा में भूमि पूजन हो चुका है ESI हॉस्पिटल का, श्रम विभाग का, वो 100 बेड का. क्या वो चालू होने वाला है?
Please, no paper.
This answer is related to the ESIC because now the question is on EPFO investment, and that's why even though the member has asked to the hospital and its missing, I will definitely give reply to him what is the position and this. But the question is what he has asked is ESIC. Now the question is EPFO, that is exchange trade funds. So that's why it is not at all considered. But even though, what I want to say, madam, regarding this question, we are the government of India, led by Narendra Modi ji, we have taken a very our paramount interest is to safeguard the workers. So that's why we have taken this ETF investment in the long-term returns are getting more for our subscribers. And secondly, many developed countries, they are going in the same way of the equities. Third is, this is diversity of investment, not only in the government sector. That's why we have gone to this one. And now ETF has on 31/10/16, we are giving return 9.17%. So we have paid our subscribers last year 8.8%, that is returns to the interest to our workers.
Prahlad Singh Patel.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय. EPFO के फंड को जब हमने निवेश किया, आपने उत्तर में कहा कि उसमें न्यासियों ने आपत्ति की थी और कर्मचारी संगठनों ने. पर हम भी मानते हैं कि सरकार का ये फैसला ब्लैक मनी से बेहतर है उसको मोबिलाइज करके और उन उपभोक्ताओं को दिया जाए जिनका वास्तव में पैसा है. ये सरकार की नीयत है. लेकिन अध्यक्ष जी, मैं आपके माध्यम से जानना चाहता हूं कि निवेश करने के बाद अभी तक इस पैसे पर कितना लाभ हमें मिला है, ताकि हम इस बात को आश्वस्त कर सकें कि वास्तव में जो आपत्तियां की गई थी न्यासियों द्वारा या अन्य कर्मचारी संगठनों द्वारा वो सतही थी, बल्कि सरकार का फैसला सही है. इसलिए मैं आपके माध्यम से मंत्री से जानना चाहता हूं कि अभी तक कितना लाभांश की ये जानकारी सरकार के पास है, उसको बताने का कष्ट करें. थैंक यू अध्यक्ष जी.
Madam, regarding the investment pattern, already I have indicated that in the first year we have, as per the notification given by the Ministry of Finance, we have issued 5% of the exchange trade funds, and after that, seeing the cautious investment, we have enhanced it to 5 to 10%, and we are that also in the as on today the returns we are getting more. That's why we are very cautious and we are committed to the safety and security of the workers. Mainly we have invested, as I already told, 9,723 crores up to 31/10/2016 with return of 9.17%. And in the 15-16 year, we are going to invest, that is